Alzheimer's disease, a brain disorder that progressively destroys memory and cognitive skills, is causing untold damage to society. Spearheading research to address this growing public health concern is HKUST's Professor Guojun Bu, Chung Charitable Foundation Professor of Science. Professor Bu is a world leader in the field of apolipoprotein E, apoE, and he is primarily interested in understanding why apoE4 is a strong genetic risk factor for AD.
In the last 15 years, my research has focused on the pathogenic mechanism of apoE using humanized mouse model and other model systems. Among other important discoveries, my lab has found that apoE4 seed amyloid, which drives the development of Alzheimer's disease. We have also shown that apoE2 plays a critical role in enhancing brain lipid metabolism and cognition, leading to protection against Alzheimer's disease.
Professor Bu was appointed Chair Professor in HKUST's Division of Life Science in 2023, following a host of prestigious career appointments, such as Chair of the Department of Neuroscience at Mayo Clinic and Chief Scientific Officer of Neuro Pharmaceuticals. Professor Bu's group also uses human biospecimens, including postmortem brains and cerebral spinal fluid, to discover new pathways and biomarkers.
My lab is also devoting significant effort to discovering and developing therapeutics based on apoE and other targets with the goal of preventing and curing Alzheimer's disease.
Professor Bu has published more than 350 high-impact articles and received myriad honors and awards, including the Zenith Fellows Award and the MetLife Foundation Award for Medical Research in Alzheimer's disease. He is an elected Fellow of the American Association for the Advancement of Science and founding editor and editor-in-chief of Molecular Neurodegeneration.
At HKUST, my research vision is to shed light on how apoE gene impact the risk of Alzheimer's disease and how this pathway can be targeted for effective therapy. To translate my findings into clinical application and accelerate research and development targeting neurodegenerative diseases, I work closely with research laboratories and neuroscientists in the Greater Bay Area and beyond.
In the next 5 to 10 years, the world-class discovery research done by Professor Bu and his team will cement HKUST's status as a global leader in neurodegenerative disease research.